Hi students, how are you all? Hope that all of you understood the previous lesson 11, India and Economic Planning. So today we are going to begin a new lesson, that is Water on Earth, lesson 12. Let's start. Water is life. Earth is the only living planet in the solar system. The 3/4 of Earth's surface is covered with water. Let's see the different sources of drinking water: stream, lake, reservoir, spring, river, pond, and well. The water cycle. The four main processes included in the water cycle are condensation, precipitation, collection, and evaporation. The sources of water can be classified as surface water and groundwater. Oceans, lakes, rivers, and backwaters are the sources of fresh water. Places where fresh water is available in the desert are called oases. The water stored beneath the ground is called underground water. The surface of water-rich part beneath the ground is known as water table. Raindrops percolate into the tiny pores of soil and get collected there. These pores filled with water when rain occurs. Some rocks are porous and they can absorb water. This quality of rocks is known as permeability. Water that percolates through the topsoil will be collected in the pore spaces of the soil and gaps in the rocks. Such storage spaces are called aquifers. Multitude of wells. Filter point wells. They are used for the shallow tube wells dug in sandy regions. Artesian wells. This type of wells in which water rises automatically due to pressure. Such wells dug in different parts of the world. Horizontal wells. These wells are dug horizontally along the foot of the hills. Water flowing from surangams through which one can barely enter is its merit. Geysers. The phenomenon of severe ejection of water from within the earth at regular intervals of time is known as geysers. Next one, wetlands. Wetlands are natural sinks of surface water, paddy fields, ponds, swampy region, and all low-lying regions come under the category of wetlands. February 2 is considered as World Wetlands Day. What are the different uses of water? Recreation use, industrial use, home use, power use, and agricultural use. What is water pollution? The undesirable change in the physical, chemical, and biological properties of water is termed as water pollution. Why it is important to conserve water? To preserve the environment, to save from drought, to overcome electricity cost, to reserve water for recreational purposes. Rooftop rainwater harvesting. The level of the underground water can be raised either by draining the rainwater to the ground or by collecting it in storage tanks. Storage of surface water runoff. Conservation of wetlands. Protection of forest. Terrace farming. Mulching, construction of check dams, construction of mud walls, digging rainwater percolation pits. Let's see the important points. Water is the base for life on Earth. 71% of Earth's surface is filled with water. There are different sources of water. The quantity of fresh water is less. Water cycle regulates the availability of water. Human interventions pollute the water sources. Rainwater harvesting is the best way to prevent water scarcity. So, these are the topics we discussed today. Hope that all of you understood all those topics. So, let's continue in the next class. Thank you.